my pet bull. Yeah, it's getting tall. It's going to be taller than me.
Say his name.
His name is Capone. But my other dog is... Oh, it's not. Go. Calm down. Calm down. I'm going to teach your dog how to sit. Jeez. So, when you want your dog to get up, say, "Get up, boy." Capone, get up. I said, get up. Get up. Come here. Capone, come here. Capone, sit. Capone, up. Up.
Tell everybody why he's not used.
He's not used to this because I just got this like about a month ago. And we feeding them dog chew. But it's really not working because you can, as you know, you can still see his bones. I'm trying to feed him a whole bunch, but he's one of these good dogs.
Hey, guys, tell us like some good food, like stuff that help your dog grow. In the description. Wait, no, in the comment. In the description is where you say something in the comments.
And the description and the comments. So please subscribe. I want to show you last time.
No, not last.
I'm gonna show you how to make your dog bite. So you get a little stick, and when your dog mouth is open, you put it in, and then stop biting it.
And guys, it's just like a treat for the dogs.
Capone, spit it out. Spit it out. Spit it out.
Capone, done. Go get that toy.
What toy? This. Yeah.
Dang.
That's how my dog is strong. It's healthy, but you can still see his bones. Look. All right.
So say this is his biting training tool.
This is his biting thing. He wouldn't bite it because he's not really used to it. Wow. How you get this thing in?
Have him run.
All right, now watch how fast and how strong my dog is. So watch this.
Here, he pulling me. He pulling me. He pulling me up. He pulling me up. He pulling me.
So, did you see how strong he is? Did you see how strong he is? He's pretty strong and fast. So, we gonna...
Wait. So, you gonna run and I'm gonna let go. Run straight down there.
Hey.
As you guys see, that's where his dog runs, and he's like super strong too.
He ran me out. Go. Come here.
He's going after something he smelled. No. Not goodbye.
Alright, now it's Hayden's turn. My friend, the leash, and it's all his. You ain't gonna see me no more. Bye.
Hey, guys, as you heard, he was training his pit bull. He don't really run after me like that, but watch this. Sit.
Kapam, sit. He really wouldn't do that. Say it.
He has so much energy, I think he want to have some more fun. Let's run.
I know. I'm good. It's gonna look ugly. Come on. Alright. This is the end of the video. Subscribe, like, and leave leave a comment, and bye. And Tavion, you say bye too.
Bye, y'all.